to today's tour. We're going to be doing 4 different tours showing you 4 different projects that we have here in the US that you can be part of, you can invest in. The first project that we have is our office here in Katy, and you can show it around. Okay, by the way, if you can hear me, type I can hear you. Very important to know if you can hear me. Right, so beautiful. Now we have this 2-story office, and of course I will soon show you inside. But the major project we have is going to be opposite the current 2-story. The land opposite I'm going to show you here is, this where you are seeing green, right? The green there too. All this land is part of what we have here. And we intend to build a 6-story office complex that we're going to lease and use to generate cash flow. Six-story complex by 2028. But the good news that you can always come to us, come to our office here in Katy, 518 West Green Boulevard, Katy. Okay, so let me show you inside. Come in. Okay. So first thing you're gonna see is this beautiful, beautiful aquarium. A lot of goldfish inside, and some other types of fish, quite big. That's the reception area, sitting area for guests when they come. Also, let me show you around to the kitchen. Again, if you guys can hear me loud and clear, tap, I can hear you. Because when we first did this, we had issues with the audio. So here's our kitchen. Staff can sit down here and eat, and have their food. And then we also have our boardroom. Let me show you our boardroom here. Okay, so we have our boardroom here. It's kind of partition with a glass, so you can just see what's inside. The last time we did a virtual conference was used here. And we have the restroom here. And then we have one office downstairs, which I'm currently temporarily using as my current office, but that's not going to be my office. My office is upstairs, so let's go upstairs so I can show you what we have upstairs. Okay. By the way, we're currently taking interns. I've gotten a lot of people reach out. They want to work with us as sales interns. They want to learn how to sell real estate. They want to, work with us as a developer and grow their real estate skills. We have that opportunity, and we're open to all color, race, religion, gender, open to all. So you can reach out, and there's an opportunity to be trained. So there's a constant training, educating you, and you make way more money, selling real estate in the US than, $20 an hour and all of that. That's most of our people get themselves into. Okay. Upstairs here we have 5 office partitions, and so the first is where the place that is eventually going to be my office, but it's still doing work time. So we'll work with an interior decor to kind of properly furnish the place. But this will eventually be my office. And then we have other offices here. You can see 1, 2, 3 down this way. But beautifully, in this area, I'm very, very excited about what we intend to do here. I want to do a studio here. We're going to be partitioning it, very transparent, LED screen. It's going to be a digital studio. We'll be able to stream conferences globally, right? And then we'll have some sitting area in the case where some of the people who came to the studio need to sit and want to have guests for the virtual conference we are holding, right? So I think we just got a quote over $50,000 that's going to be costing as well. But if you come to the window here, you understand what I shared earlier, downstairs about. By the way, if you have questions, drop your questions for us. If you will see what I was sharing earlier about the fact that we want to build a 6-story building, right? So the green land you're seeing, the empty green land here on your left and the green land on your right, all together are part of the land as well. They are part of this office. Okay, and we intend to then build a 6-story building, which will be leased out, generating cash flow. Again, I'm not sentimental about offices or real estate. Cash flow is what I think of. So even this office at the moment, we don't need all this space. We intend to be able to take some smaller businesses who can be using here as a contact address, come here and do meetings and seminars and pay a token for that. But the 6-story we're going to be building as well, that's what it will be doing. It will be massively built to be able to have businesses, have offices, and we're able to generate cash flow from it. Okay, like I said, today is our tour, like I promised you. We have 3 more locations we're going to. The next one, we should be at Tidwell. We're going to be showing the land at Tidwell where we're going to be building 24 units. Construction will start next year. We've just gotten all the permits, vertical, horizontal permits, all gotten for the Tidwell land. And so it's just to start, we'll conclude with a general contractor, and next year they start construction. We're also going to be visiting Brookshire, Jasper Estate, Brookshire, to show you the land as well. And then the last one will be Richmond, Clothing Richmond land. We just are doing a tour today, show you what we have, show you what we're raising $200 million for. Because some people are like, that's a lot of money. What are you raising the money for? Well, this is what we're raising the money for. This is what we're doing with the funds we're raising, okay? And I promise you, it's one of the best right investment to make. You can't go wrong with real estate. With Donald Trump winning the election, the real estate sector is going to bounce back. People ask me, why did I start investing when the economy was bad? It was because when you're a smart investor, you go in when the economy is bad, and then you get out when the economy is good, right? So we're about to experience a good time in the real estate sector as Donald Trump wins. Whether you like Donald Trump or not, somehow the guy understands the economy, and the economy does well under him. You can claim it's Biden that did the work, the same way people say Obama did it last time, but still, the next 4 years under Trump is going to be a great time for business, and the stock market is already rallying. Bitcoin is jumping off the roof, and that is a signal that the economy is about to bounce back, and we'll be enjoying all of that because we bought one of the lands we have here. We got $1 million discount because we bought it when things are bad, right? So the sellers were willing to give further discount as a result of the bad economy. So that is how you do real estate investment, and we're just today showing you a tour of all the assets we have, what we're trying to do, where we are at, and what is the intention, and why you should be smart and invest. I'm not going to put my money into all of this if I don't think it makes sense, right? And if you're smart, you're going to be part of this. You're going to call the team right now. You're going to say, hey, here's my contribution. And I promise you, everyone putting their resources into this, we will not just help you get money back, good returns, we will immortalize your name. Some of the streets we're going to be naming after investors. Yes, you heard me. In America, some of you are going to put your name on those streets. And someone said, why are you doing that? I said, simple. We need to appreciate people who are believing in us, trusting us, particularly at this beginning phase. In the next 2-3 years, everybody wants to invest with us. I can assure you that one. But it's at this beginning time that those who are able to put the skin in the game that I appreciate even more, because you trust us even now when we're just about starting. Okay, so I love you all, and I want to take questions. Do you have questions? Let me see if I can help. Questions. If you have questions for me,
You save the video.
yeah, we'll save the video for sure. But I want to see if we have questions. Have you gotten such property in the United Kingdom? The United Kingdom, we have a few projects here and there, but again, UK, we're not as bullish as we are in the US. Well, we're not aggressive in the UK like we are in the US, okay? And the reason is because of tax. The UK tax is ridiculous. And so, yeah, projects here and there, but not as aggressive as the type we're doing in the US, okay? You want to buy property from us in the UK, we have several properties available for you to invest in the UK, but I can assure you we're not as aggressive and will not be as aggressive as we are in the US and the UK, because the UK tax system is a way more ridiculous. Of course, maybe when Kemi Badenoch becomes Prime Minister of the UK and fulfills promises, which is to lower taxes, maybe at that point, yes, we are going to become more aggressive with investments in the UK. So is there a quota for investment when speaking to our clients? What do you mean by quota? You know, the minimum used to be $20,000. We just lowered it recently that people can invest as low as $10,000, okay, in all these projects. You know, it's a $200 million project we're pushing right now. We're raising funds at the moment, aggressively raising funds, and there are returns for investors. Mori Mock says, how can I be an intern? Well, you have to be here in Houston, or willing to relocate to Houston at your own bill. Okay, at your own bill. And then, yes, you can come to our office, and then the internship starts. You have your team lead here already. She's waiting for you. Right? She was the one helping with the video earlier. She was intern number 1. Gtext Holdings, Gtext Holdings USA. So she's available to mentor and help more people joining the team. But let me even ask you, what has it been like? I mean, just a few weeks for you, but what has it been like, being an intern here?
Very interesting, very interesting, and the training does not stop. So you get to quickly move ahead with knowledge and then how to implement.
Yeah, and there's enough team. I think that's one of the advantage. We have amazing people in the team to support you, from Mr. Dapo to Temi to, and then the Nigerian leadership is also available to support the US team. So yeah, we have all this amazing support. I think Patrick wants to ask me a question. Patrick, more sites we're visiting today to show you projects that we have here in the US and how you can invest, how you can be part of it, how you can be part of the revolution that is going on with our company here in the US, okay? And trust me, like I said, you want to be part of this now, early, and so that posterity will be kind on you that, yes, I was part of what Dr. Stephen was doing in the US. Some of you, when I was talking about projects in Nigeria, you didn't join on time. So you today, some of them are extremely expensive than what many people can afford. The same in the US, right? A time will come where, honestly, with due respect, we just won't be that affordable, right? Probably to even invest with us in the US, you need at least $1 million. That time is coming very soon. So I wish to be an intern with your team. Yes, which of our team? Is it the US team? Is it the UK team? Is it the Dubai team? Is it is it the Nigerian team, right? We have internship across all our various locations. So you have to be clear which one exactly. Somebody said what number to call. Okay, feel free to send me a DM or send me a WhatsApp chat. Don't call because I'm not going to pick. +1 443 790 3925. Okay, again, +1 443 790 3925. WhatsApp chats only. All right. Do you have another number to give us? You don't have it often.
That's the one make it call.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. 3464.
Is it the reception number here? Really? Okay. You know what? Just chat me up on this one, then I'll reach out to you. I'll connect you, Mrs. MC, and then we'll move from there. Say, I would love to be an intern in Nigeria. Why not? The Nigerian team have their internship opportunities. US team, UK team, Dubai team. So whichever one you love, the rule is you must be resident where you want to do internship. There's training. Someone said I applied for executive assistant position, but no one got back to me. Well, it was because we got hundreds of applicants, and trust me, amazing applicants. In fact, the person who got the job has resumed. I think we even had to take 4 more other people and position them in other roles. We just had to position them to other roles. Any age limit? No age limit. No age limit. We have a lot of our interns. We have young people. We have adults. Museum C has. Our daughter is 18. Your daughter is 18, 16, right? So I mean, there's no age restriction. It's just for people, a lot of time, different situations. Sometimes you want to change career. Like she wants to change career into sales. That's why she joined us into selling, marketing, and all of that. So it's available for everyone, and they can be part of the team. And we have a great experience. But hey, we're very much available to provide as much support as you will want, as you will desire. I probably need to wrap up this so that we can move to the next location, which will be Tidwell. Okay, I want to change career from nursing in the UK. Okay, fine. We're willing to have you join our UK team, or US team, or Dubai team, or Nigerian team. We have internship, like I said, it's training. You even start earning commission when you bring any sales. Well, even though you're an intern to train, and and we're supposed to charge you for training you, we don't even charge you. But more importantly, if you bring sales during your internship period, you get commission, very juicy income. So we've had people in the course of their 6 months or 12 months internship, they're able to make a whole lot of income for themselves. So you can be that as well. Okay, Jessica, you send me a request. What's up? You send a request so that you can laugh. I don't understand. Is that the goal?
It's not like that, sir. I sent a request to join the meeting.
To join.
I
You join now. Typically, you can on IG. Once you send a request, it means you want to be brought up like I'm bringing you up now. Okay.
So how can I take it back? I'm so shy.
How can you take it back? Isn't this funny? How can I take it back? Okay, you are here, so we're laughing with you. So we'll see you guys in another 1 hour when we will have gotten to Tidwell, which is the next location of our tour. Okay? We love you all. Thank you all for being part. Again, the number to reach out to WhatsApp chat only +1 443 790 3925. Okay? Again, +1 443 790 3925. WhatsApp chat only. Don't call, just chat on WhatsApp, your full name and the request that you have. Again, +1 443 790 3925. WhatsApp chat only. No calls. And then state your full name and your request. We love you from Gtext Holdings USA. God bless you. See you at the next location, okay? Catch you at the next location, hopefully in the next 1 hour. Bye bye.